Welcome. This is your time. A gentle pause in the middle of everything to return to yourself and to the quiet power of gratitude. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your hands to rest softly, unclenched. Close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. And take a long deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your body begin to settle, like a leaf floating to the surface of a still pond. With each breath, feel yourself arriving. Notice the ground beneath you, how it supports you without asking anything in return. Feel the air brushing against your skin, the quiet sounds around you. Each moment, each detail, an invitation to be present. Now, imagine you're sitting in a quiet forest. Sunlight filters through the trees. The earth is soft and steady beneath you. This is your inner sanctuary, a space where gratitude naturally grows. Let your breath move easily now. There's nothing to fix, nothing to do. Just breathe. Now, gently bring awareness to your body. This body that carries you through every day. Feel into the muscles that hold you, the heart that beats, the lungs that breathe. Whisper inwardly, "Thank you. Thank you for carrying me. Thank you for enduring." Even in its imperfections, your body shows up for you again and again. Now, send a silent wave of appreciation through your entire being. From your toes to your legs, your spine, your chest, your shoulders, your face. Each part, alive, worthy of your kindness. Now bring your attention to this very moment. What can you feel grateful for right now, in this breath? Maybe it's the chance to pause, the comfort of safety, the gift of silence. Perhaps it's a warm drink you had this morning, a smile from a stranger, a kind word you heard. Feel them land gently in your heart. Let them fill you. Breathe in that feeling and exhale with a quiet smile. Now bring to mind someone who made your life a little brighter. Someone whose presence left an imprint on your soul. It might be someone you love, or someone who showed you unexpected kindness. See them clearly, feel their energy. Now imagine sending them this message from your heart to theirs. Thank you for being, for showing up, for touching my life. Now think of someone else, perhaps someone you haven't thought of in a while. A teacher, a neighbor, a friend from long ago. Send them gratitude too, like a gentle ripple across time and space. And now, imagine extending this gratitude outward to everyone who has supported your journey in ways you may never know. The hands that made your food, the people who built the roads, the strangers who offered small acts of grace. Let your gratitude stretch like the sky, vast, quiet, ever expanding. Now, bring your attention gently forward in time. Imagine yourself tomorrow or next week, walking through your life with a heart attuned to thankfulness. See yourself pausing to notice beauty, appreciating little things, meeting each moment with presence, even when it's messy or uncertain. Gratitude doesn't ask for perfection. It only asks that we notice. So take a final breath here. Inhale deeply, filling with appreciation. And exhale, releasing any tension, any resistance. Begin to return now. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe stretch a little if that feels good. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for spending these minutes in quiet gratitude. Remember, this feeling is always within reach. You can return to it in any moment with just a breath. If you found peace in this practice, please consider supporting this channel by liking this video and subscribing for more meditations like this. Until next time, may you walk through your life grounded, open-hearted, and grateful.